Former Senator Bong Revilla Jr. and his co-accused have appeared before the Sandigan Bayan today for the first day of their bail hearing in the high-profile ghost flood control case in Pandi, Bulacan. Let's get the latest from Joash Malimban joining us on the phone. Joash, go ahead.
My former Senator Bong Revilla has appeared before the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division for the first day of his bail hearing over a high-profile malversation case. Revilla is facing charges in connection with an alleged 92.8 million peso ghost flood control project in Pandi, Bulacan. The hearing is expected to run for 10 days with prosecutors set to present around 20 witnesses to support the case. Accompanying Revilla in court are his co-accused, including former officials of the Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office, Bryce Hernandez, RJ Domasig, Emilita Watt, Juanito Mendoza, and Cristina Pineda, who are also facing malversation charges. Prior to the bail proceedings, the anti-graft court entered a not guilty plea on behalf of Revilla after he declined to personally enter a plea during arraignment. His co-accused, including DPWH accountant Juanito Mendoza, also pleaded not guilty. Despite granting Revilla and his co-accused permission to seek reconsideration before the Office of the Ombudsman, the court emphasized that this does not mean a halt that the current proceedings nor void any existing warrants of arrest. The case continues as the court determines whether bail should be granted while trial is ongoing.
Joash, how is former Senator Bong Revilla doing? It's been months since he's been in detention. And how is he? Have you also talked to his lawyer? Kamusta ang kanilang pananaw tungkol dito sa bail hearing? Kung may positibo ba silang sentimento na magagrant itong bail for the former senator?
Hindi natin nakausap kanina yung kampo ni former Senator Bong Revilla, pero ang pagpunta niya kanina doon sa Sandigan Bayan, mukha ng mga malusog at hindi naman kumbaga nagpapakita na masyadong negative emotions itong kanyang kampo, at especially si former Senator Bong Revilla. And kung matatandaan nga natin, before ay nag-enter sila or nag-refuse sila na mag-enter ng guilty or not guilty plea para magpakita umano ng kanilang paninindigan na walang kasalanan itong si former Senator Bong Revilla dito sa kanyang malversation charge ukol sa isang alleged ghost flood control project dito sa Bulacan.
Alright, maraming salamat, Joash Malimban reporting.